Okay, let's discuss the theory part of the redundant template, why we need it, how does it help. Okay, let's say we have only one Versa router on the site. It's a Versa 1 and it has a MPLS connection and it's a standalone router. Further down the road, I decide to have a internet link on site and I wanted to have on a second router, and I need to configure a template for this router as well, and I need to take care of a few mechanisms like VRRP. I need to decide who is VRRP primary and secondary. Then I need to establish a routing in such a way that if the traffic comes here by the virtue of VRRP being primary, then the traffic goes to LAN and it has to exit from here to internet. Then all the NAT related configuration needs to be done. Apart from this, we have a mechanism called TLOC extension in Cisco, where what happens that one router should be able to use the transport mechanism of the another router. So here also, if let's say this site wants to communicate to a remote site which has only one internet link and the traffic comes here because it's a VRRP primary, then the traffic should be able to go here and then reach out to internet over the SDWAN fabric and establish, reach the destination. Then we need to configure a mechanism so that we don't do a routing loop. For example, if controller advertise a route to this CPE and this CPE advertise to LAN and it goes via back to back, and we want to avoid that router to advertise the same route back to controller. This will cause a routing loop and we want to avoid that. So with the help of redundant template, we can achieve a lot of these features. So how it works is, when I create a template for Versa CPE1, let's say I say this is my Versa CPE1 template, right? And the redundant template for this is this. So the template establish a redundancy, and when we create this template in the workflow template, we create only one, and when we come to post-staging templates, we'll see both of these templates will be created, because we mentioned that this template is gonna use a redundant pair and the name of the redundant template we will mention there. And when we deploy the devices, we will see that all of these things that we discussed earlier, like NAT, VRRP, routing loop avoidance, and cross connection, like the TLOC extension, all these parameters will be configured automatically by the Versa router. So we'll do this practical in the next video, and we see how this redundant pair template works, what careful consideration we need to do while configuring this template, assigning the port, and what all things we need to take care of. So we'll see this in the practical in the next video.